Hey Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about the advantages and disadvantages of match betting versus starting your own raffle page on the website Raffle. By the end of this video, you'll hopefully then know which one is the best direction for you to go in, or maybe they're both a good option for you. Before we get into it though, I'd just like to quickly mention the Profit Boss Match Betting and Value Betting Facebook group, which there'll be a link to down in the description, as well as the quick start completely free guide I have on Raffle, which gives you 3 ways you can start making money using the Raffle website right away. Okay, so first then the advantages of match betting. Well, firstly, it has a very low startup cost where you can literally start it with just £100, although it is recommended you start with more than that, but it is definitely possible. Another advantage of match betting is you can lock in a profit using bookmakers' free bets and start making money right away, guaranteed. That's because if you didn't know, match betting is the betting strategy where you're betting on every outcome and then using the bookmakers' free bets to make sure you win no matter what. I'll leave the link to the completely free beginner's guide to match betting down in the description if you've not yet started. The next advantage to match betting is that there's complete step-by-step guides available, not just my free course, but on the actual software's websites that you use to do match betting. They have literally step-by-step processes of what you need to do to finish each bet. So there's no thought that you need to put into it. It's literally just following the steps provided. And then the final couple of advantages to match betting is that it takes very little time each day, maybe 20 to 30 minutes, and it's tax-free income since it's classed as gambling money. Now, with regards to disadvantages for match betting, you literally just have the fact that it's limited profitability and you cannot scale it. So what does that mean? Well, it means eventually when bookmakers catch on to the fact that you know what you're doing, you're taking advantage of their free bets, they will restrict your accounts or sometimes even close your account down completely. Now, I can't think of any other disadvantages to match betting since it is such a great way to start making money online. But for those seasoned match bettors, please do comment below if you can think of any other disadvantages. Now let's move on to the advantages of starting your own raffle page using the Raffle website. Well, firstly, you have unlimited earning potential. Now, quick disclaimer, no results can be guaranteed, and of course, the amount of profit you make is a direct result of how much effort you put into your page. What you have is the chance to build your raffle page year on year and grow a following there. So really, you could be earning as little as £1,000 a month or as high as 10, 20, 30,000 pounds a month. Now, another advantage relative to how much businesses usually cost to set up is that starting your own raffle page on Raffle has a very low startup cost, and it's insane actually how cheap you can get started for the potential income that you can earn using the site. Another advantage is the time it'll take you to become profitable is usually a couple of months, where most businesses, small businesses, when they start up, are literally can be 3 to 5 years sometimes, and a lot of small businesses actually fail to make a profit ever. Now, a couple of disadvantages, well, not really disadvantages, but things to make you aware of, is that it's not something, as I just mentioned a second ago, that you'll make profit from instantly like match betting is. You do start from scratch and then you need to build it up. Like, for example, for me, it took me about a month or two, I can't remember exactly which week it was, but maybe around week 6 of hosting raffles until I actually made a profit. And up until that point, I was just taking small losses. But that's why I have the Learn Raffle with Profit Boss course set up, so that I can show you how to get started and do it much more efficiently than if you were to just start on your own without any help at all. Another thing to make you aware of when it comes to starting your own raffle page is the profit that you make, as I've already mentioned, is effort dependent. So if you're someone that's a bit lazy, you think you can just click a couple of buttons and you're used to making profit like that doing match betting, this isn't for you. You've got to be prepared to put effort in, and that effort then equates to how much profit you make. But please do comment your thoughts down below in the comments section. If you've enjoyed this video, had any value from it, please do tap the like button below. And if you're still watching now till the end, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.